If you ever want to align your objects or even parts of your objects, there are some alignment tools available for you. You can go to your window and choose the Align panel, which is this guy right here. Or you can likewise select your objects and then look up here in the control panel and you'll see that we have Align up here as well. So you have two options. I'm going to go ahead and just close those guys because I want to focus up here instead. Something I want you to pay attention to as well is how smart this guy is. For example, I have these objects in their entirety selected. And when I click Align, it says Align Objects, Distribute Objects. Now I'm going to deselect them and I'm going to grab my Direct Selection tool and I'm going to grab just a few points here. So I'm going to hold down my Shift key and I'll grab just some of these bottom points. When I return to Align, it now says Align Anchor Points and Distribute Anchor Points. So it knows exactly what you're trying to align. So I'm going to go back to my whole shapes again. And I'm going to go to Align. And I'm going to show you something that's really cool here, which is the ability to align to the artboard itself, which is your drawing space. So I'm going to turn this on. And we see that we can now align things to the left of the artboard, to the center, and also to the right. We can go ahead and turn it on. So we align this to the artboard and make sure it's on, and align it to the right of the artboard, to the left, and now to the center. As you see, when it's off or on, it's going to either align based on the objects themselves or the artboard. I prefer the artboard itself. I can also align these guys to the top of the artboard and also to center and also on the bottom. So I'm going to move these guys manually now. And I'm going to align the points now. So I'm going to try to put them as close together as possible, like this, and just move them in different directions so we can grab the points on the bottoms of the stars. And once again, I'm going to hold down the Shift key and just grab all of these guys here. And when I go back to the Align menu, I can now align the anchor points to the left. I'll undo that, and I'll go back again, and I can go to the center. And I can go to the left, and I can even align the points so that they're aligned on the top, which gives me nice straight lines. I can go to the center, once again, nice straight lines, and also on the vertical align bottom based on the artboard itself. So it's a really nice way to grab all the points and place them so they're all in a nice row. And this can come in quite handy when you're trying to precisely place artwork. Or in this case, you might want to show that maybe the stars are sinking into the floor, and instead of having a shape in front of it so that these would be in back of it, you can just do that right from here. So using the alignment tools can really give you the ability to put your artwork wherever you want it to go, whether the alignment is based on the actual objects. Usually the first object you select is the one that things align to, or you can align them completely to the artboard itself using, once again, the Align tools up here, or going to the window menu and choosing the Align panel and using the tools here.